Welcome to the in front of me Vivo Y76 5G, and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So first you should just press up or down one button here, and after that you'll see here the bell icon. Just click here twice on the bell icon, and by this way all of your notifications and ringtones, they will be muted. As can you see, this is the ringtone and notification volume panel. So now we can see that the silent mode is activated. And if you want to just turn off the silent mode, just click only once here on this bell icon, and by this way we'll just turn off the silent mode, and all of our ringtones and notifications, they will ring. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.